Hello everyone, today we will study ER diagrams. An entity relationship diagram or ERD shows how entities, for example people, objects or concepts, interact. Such conceptual data models help database developers visualize the relationships between key software elements. Symbols of entity relationship diagram. A set of special symbols is used to construct each entity relationship diagram. The following characters are most often used. Entities are usually displayed as rectangles and represent nouns. Using different symbols allows you to display different types of objects. Attributes are the characteristics of an entity displayed as an oval. For example, if there is a student entity in your ERD, then information such as student's ID, student's name, and course of study will be as attributes. Rhombuses and lines represent the interactions and relationships between entities. Let's learn how to create ER diagrams in stages. The first step is to identify all the objects that the database or process includes. This stage looks different for everyone. Secondly, you need to add attributes to characterize the entities. All such data adds details to the description of the object. Regardless of what the diagram describes, attributes play an important role. Having dealt with the objects and their attributes, proceed to display the relationships between them. Use connecting lines and rhombuses to connect entities to indicate their connections. That's all. This way you can create your ERD. Now, using all your knowledge, let's look at the example of an entity relationship diagram. Here we present the connection between the guest and the hotel when booking a room. You can see that we have three objects here: a guest, a hotel, and a room that is being booked. Each object has attributes. Let's start with the guest. To make a reservation, he will need a password number and a full name. That is, he has two attributes. The guest is booking a hotel room, so it is written in the rhomb word books. And each hotel has its own name and address, so this object also has two attributes. There are several rooms in one hotel, and to connect them, it is written contains in a rhomb. That is, the hotel contains several rooms. Rooms have their own specific number and category, such as middle class, upper class, and so on. Thus, we have compiled a simple ERD for booking a hotel room. That's all. In this video, you learned about the creation of entity relationship diagrams.